Is the search bar in Windows 11 crashing or unresponsive? This guide will take you through effective solutions to resolve search bar issues, so you can quickly and easily access your files and applications again. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit, then Paste. Now press Enter. This will re-register the search app, fixing any potential issues with its configuration.
First press Alt-Control-Delete. Select Task Manager. Click on Run New Task. Select Run this task with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell. Press OK. Type sfc/scan now, then press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, then Present.